in our final year at art school in Dundee, and one day we were walking around the studios, the second year studios, and they were just having so much fun. They were building a big fort, and it kind of freaked us out a bit. We were like, oh no, we're leaving art school soon, we need to have some fun and just do something. So we just went back to our studio and we're like, right, we need to do something, what are we going to do?
We went across to the pub opposite the art school, and we knew the manager, and we were like, can we do something in the basement? And we just set a day, so we just had, it's like that kind of like urgency just to do something. So that is the Dain Hings motto, is just Dain Hings. I guess everyone, the key word is money and whatever to do things, but we've been making bags and selling them to kind of have a pot of funds to pay like expenses for our friends who have helped us to do the events and facilitate stuff. So, we've just moved to different cities now, so ScotRail trains might be our move. In the next few months we've got some events lined up. We're doing Glasgow and...
Yeah, we've got 2 in Glasgow, 1 in Dundee for freshers, so that'll be exciting coming back and organising that with...
Yeah, that's in Underworld Cafes. There's like a cafe upstairs and a kind of bar nightclub downstairs, so all our events have kind of been like an exhibition that turned into something else rather than just kind of showing work. So
yeah, and kind of going with the younger people as well, because before it's been with our year and people older, so it'll be exciting to get with people that are second, third years and see what they're up to. And what else have we got?
We're doing an event in Glasgow, autonomous space, and same sort of format. And we had a residency at Bread Arts Lab in Ayr earlier this year, and for a couple of days when it was starting up. So we're going to go back there and do something more programmed and curated there in October, September. So, yeah, lots coming up.
Just to be confident and be bold enough to go out there and put something on and try and pull people together that you think are like-minded.
And like, don't be like, oh, we don't have this, we don't have that. Just see what you have, and if you've got a room, then you've already got enough, and you've got 2 friends, then you can do something.
Use your resources and see what the space already has and how you can alter that and make it change.
Focus on what you have and not what's missing.